should already know. I got to.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious banana bread. You're going to start off with 3 bananas, the darker the better. You're going to start by mashing up your bananas very well. After mashing them up, you're going to add your lemon juice and mix. Don't worry guys, all the ingredients will be in the description box below with the measurements. Now I'm adding all my dry ingredients and I'm mixing it together with a whisk. I'm mixing until everything is nice and evenly combined. Now using an electronic mixer, you're going to mix together your butter and your sugars until it becomes paste-like. After mixing everything together, it should look like this. Now I'm adding my bananas and I'm going to use a spatula to mix it until it's evenly combined. After combining my bananas, I went ahead and added my eggs, my vanilla, and my buttermilk. Now we're going to use the electronic mixer again and combine all of these. After mixing, it should look like this. Now you're going to add in your dry ingredients. Using a spatula, you're going to mix everything together. Be sure not to overmix or else this will cause your bread to be dry. I'm using Baker's Joy to spray my pans. Baker's Joy is really good if you're a baker and you just want everything to come out of your pans nicely. So that's what I'm going to use to spray my pan to bake my bread. After spraying my pan, I poured in my bread mix. Now I'm about to bake it for 1 hour. This is what my banana bread looks like after baking. It looks so beautiful. You want to wait until it's completely cooled before you cut into it. It is so moist on the inside, guys. I really hope you guys try this recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.